Hi, my name is Neil Jetson. I'm the head chef of the Christchurch Harbour Hotel, and I believe that the Harbour Academy's apprenticeship scheme that we offer is one of the best on the market because I believe it gives us the valued skills that we need to fulfil our positions in our company.
Hi, my name is Jessica Michelle and I work at the Jetty Ocean Village. The reason why I love the Academy is that it allows me to do competitions which push my boundaries in everyday situations. It also allows me to go on field trips. This allows me to see a different side of the industry and develop my knowledge even more.
Hi, I'm Anthony from the Jetty in Southampton. I'm the sous chef here. I value the apprentice because when they get to the endpoint assessment, what they achieve and how much they bring to the team.
Hi, I'm Jules, 22 years old. I'm an apprentice chef at the Jetty Ocean Village. I enjoy the apprenticeship because of the chef opportunities and also the workshops, as well as all the theoretical aspects.
I'm Sarah, I'm the Academy Chef Trainer for Harbour Hotels Group. At Harbour Hotels, we're passionate about developing our in-house teams as well as the next generation of chefs. We ensure our apprentice chefs are trained to be the best in the industry.